In the depths of the ancient Egyptian Tomb of Ramses V, intriguing graffiti tells a story of Greek tourists who wandered through its solemn halls, leaving behind whimsical notes like, "I visited and did not like anything but the sarcophagus," and "I cannot read the hieroglyphs." These scribblings provide a glimpse into the curiosity and confusion experienced by visitors from afar who marveled at the grandeur of the tomb while feeling lost among the mysteries of Egyptian writing. As they roamed the tomb, these tourists expressed their delight and discontent through playful drawings and words capturing both their experience and the cultural gap that separated them from the Egyptians. Their laughter echoed in the solemn space, presenting an amusing juxtaposition of cultures as they pondered the significance of the tomb while leaving their own light-hearted marks in history. With each stroke of their tools, the Greek visitors captured not only their impressions, but also the enduring allure of a civilization that had thrived thousands of years before their arrival.